Bros, good morning, I ask you. Hey! I beg you for greeting. No, why are you greeting me? Why are you telling me good morning? Did I ask you? I beg you for good morning. Did I beg you? No, did I ask you? As I speak to you now, please hold your greeting for yourself. Hold your good morning to yourself. My body is peppering me. My body, is it this period? No, this period. My body is peppering me. Body they pepper me. Body they pepper me. Behave yourself, oh. No. I said behave yourself, oh. Behave yourself. Just behave yourself. Oswo. So the day, Abi.
Oga, what did you do?
What concern you? Hey! No, why are you putting your mouth in a business that is not your business? No, why are you putting why you add your mouth for what you concern you? Can you bring your mouth? Can you hold your mouth? Can you hold it?
Jesus.
I say hold your mouth. What concern you? I call you for this business. I call you. I call you for the business. Is this your business? No, this thing it concern you. Why are you putting your mouth in something that's not your business? Now your business with this. Is this your business? This thing now your provision shop where they do for Junction. No, tell me now. Now the provision shop where they sell pepper and onions for Junction.